Spec. Unit type. Starter relay, voltage, 12. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SND6053, Honda, 35850, HC4000, JN, 240-58012, Tucker Rocky, 463,991, 495,847, 49-5847, Yamaha, 3I8194000000, 3SX8194000000, 4KD8194000000. Compatible with, replacement for, Honda, TRX 300, 1988, 2000, TRX 300 FW 1988 to 2000, Yamaha, Badger YFM 80, 1986, 2001, Big Bear 354 WD-YFM 350 FW 1987 to 1996, Breeze YFA 1, 1989, 2003, BW 200E Big Wheel 1986 to 1988, BW 350 Big Wheel 1987-1988, Champ YFM 100, 1987, 1991, EF 5000E, EF 5000EA, FJ 600, 1984, 1985, Kodiak 404 WD-YFM 400 FW 1993 to 1995, Moto 4 YFM 200, 1985, 1990, Moto 4 YFM 225, 1986, 1988, Moto 4 YFM 250, 1989, 1991, Moto 4 YFM 350 ER 1987 to 1995, Raptor 80 YFM 80, 2002, 2003, Riva XC 180, 1983, 1985, Riva XC 200, 1987, 1991. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter relay built to meet OEM specifications for Honda, Yamaha. Top reviews from the United States. Better than the others. Works great on my '99 Yamaha Warrior. I got a cheaper one that only lasted a month. This one has been great so far.